Welcome back. Muslim women are calling on government to recognize their marriages. Scores gathered outside the Western Cape High Court today in support of a case brought by the Women's Legal Centre in 2014. President Jacob Zuma, Parliament and several others who are cited as respondents are opposing the matter.
Muslim women are asking for their marriages to be recognized.
Religious marriages in South Africa is still not being recognized, which has a disproportionate effect on Muslim women, Hindu women, Jewish women, or women married in religious marriages. And the challenge that we have is that these women don't have the same protections of women married in civil marriages. The children don't have the same protections, and the proprietary interests of the dissolution of the divorce or even on the death of their partner.
Samai says the call for law reform has fallen on deaf ears.
Women are still not being protected. There's no legislative protection. And yes, it's been too long. And women need to be able to access their rights. Women married in terms of religious marriages do have a right to equality. They have the right to dignity. And I think it's by time that the state should actually listen to the women on the ground.
She says there are many Muslim women who turn to the courts for help.
I got a divorce after 19 years. I'm now left in the position where my Muslim marriage is not recognized by the law, by court. And as a result, I've had to come to the High Court to fight my case for the division of assets. My ex-husband, he chooses, he makes the decisions. At the moment, I just have to wait and see what he decides. If, month on month, he might just decide he's going to reduce the maintenance that he's currently paying to me, or he'll not pay for things.
But some organizations in the Muslim community are opposing the case, calling it unconstitutional. They say it targets Islam and ignores issues of gender equality facing other religions. The matter returns to court in August. Artie Narsi, the Western Cape High Court.
The family of the late actor and singer Joe Mafela says it's grateful for the messages of support. Mafela died in a car accident on the M1 in Johannesburg on Saturday night. Police are investigating a case of culpable homicide. With a career spanning over 50 years, he was one of South Africa's most familiar faces. Mafela is survived by 4 children and 6 grandchildren.
At the moment, we have not finalized or started even talking about our funeral arrangements. The family will sit. We're just waiting for the elders so we can talk as a family and decide when the funeral will be. So we will advise the media as the week progresses. We'd like to thank South Africa for all the messages of hope.
Former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo has